For problem number 13, they're gonna kind of hold your feet to the fire and they're gonna make you do the graph. That's all right. I'm gonna have this. Solve the system of equations by graphing. So y equals 3x minus 12. I'm gonna write out each equation. 3x minus 2y equals 6. If on the computer they did not prompt you for the graph and they said solve by graphing, you could use a different technique than graphing. But they're wanting me to do the graph. I'm going to write each equation, y equals 3x minus 12. I will do a t-chart, x, y. I'm going to put an extra column in the t-chart. I'm going to put a column for the xy pair. I'm graphing two equations. I'm going to need two t-charts. On this t-chart, x-intercept, y equals 0. So write that down when you find the x-intercept. This will put it in your long-term memory. Y equals 0. This will give me 0 equals 3x minus 12. Let's add 12 to both sides. This gives me 12 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3. 12 over 3 equals 3x over 3. So 4 equals x. In my t-chart, I plugged in 0 for y. I did get 4 for x. My ordered pair is 4, 0. Let's find the y-intercept. Same equation. For the y-intercept, x equals 0. In the t-chart, I'll plug in 0 for x. In the equation, I'm going to plug in 0 for x. Y equals 3x minus 12. So y equals 3 times 0 minus 12. Y equals 0 minus 12. Y equals negative 12. In the t-chart, 0 for x, negative 12 for y. My ordered pair is 0, negative 12. For the graph, I will go ahead and put in that line. 4 for x, negative 12 for y. Use a straight edge and connect those. Because I'm graphing this by hand, I'll have to take a guess on the intersection points. And my guess, because I'm graphing it by hand, is probably going to be off a little bit. I'll have to check that guess. There's one of the lines. The other line is negative 3x minus 2y equals 6. Again, x-intercept and y-intercept. For the x-intercept, y equals 0. This will give me negative 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 6. Negative 3x minus 0 is 6. Well, negative 3x minus 0 is negative 3x. Negative 3x equals 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. I'm going to get x equals negative 2. So if I organize this in a t-chart, I'll put my little t-chart right here. Y is 0, x is negative 2. And then the y-intercept, x equals 0. This will give me -3 times 0 minus 2y equals 6. -3 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 2y equals 6. -2y equals 6. 0 minus 2y is -2y. Divide both sides by -2. Y equals -3. So when x is 0, I got -3 for y. I will put these two ordered pairs on my graph. -2, comma, 0, 0, -3, and connect the dots with a straight line. Now on the computer, you'll secure those 2 points, and you'll get a very nice picture. This is my point of intersection. If I've graphed it by hand, I need to kind of guess what that might be. I'm thinking it looks like x could be 2. Looks like y is, it's like negative 5.5, but it's likely going to be an integer. I'm going to guess -2, -6. I picked up a pencil because I can erase it easily if that guess is wrong. I need to check this. Let's see, if I plug this point into my first equation, 3 times -2 is -6. Oh, that's not -2. Did y'all see that? My guess would certainly be wrong. What should I have written? 2. Let's try +2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 12 is -6. It works for the first one. Let's look at the second one. -3 times 2 is -6. Minus 2 times -6, that's going to be a +12. -6 plus 12 is 6. That is the point of intersection. 2, -6.